plan to get in?
You distract the fishmonger while I sneak to the back of the store.
Will I sneak to the back of the store? Will I sneak to the back of the store؟ كلمة sneak to يعني عارفين اللي هو بيتسحب كده علشان يدخل. هو ايه ده؟ هي دي هدايا؟ thank you. المفروض انا اعمل ايه بالهدايا دي طيب؟ هي في هدايا؟ والله انا لا على الله حكايتي خالص. شكرا يا جماعة شكرا. thank you thank you thank you. شكرا thank you. طب تعالوا راجعوا معايا اللي انا اخدته ده.
Store, kid Uncle Mario has a bad habit of taking what doesn't belong to him. Maybe the fishmonger got sick of it.
Got sick of it and kidnapped him.
Kidnapped him.
How do you plan to get in?
How do